Just like the products we make, Seats Incorporated is moving ahead, growing, serving the rail and light rail industry with innovative seating solutions. For locomotives, our EVC ComfortTech line is the apex of railroad seats. It features our proprietary D2 foam technology, along with our elastomeric vibration control EVC cushion support to prevent fatigue. The same materials are used in our mid-back seat, used in both Class 1 railroads and light rail vehicles. There are multiple pedestal options, as well as fully adjustable seat controls and sizes to fit many applications. A popular seat for smaller transit vehicles and switcher cabs is our ultra-low-back seat switcher. It's available in several cover options for cleanability and long life under tough conditions. For transit conductor and helper applications, we offer several space-saving wall-mounted applications. Chances are we have something appropriate in our catalog to fit your requirements. If not, our engineering team stands ready to look at specifications and requirements to deliver what you need. Seats Incorporated, innovative design, diverse manufacturing, quality seating.